The birds are so lovely today. Hello everybody. Welcome back to the bowler. It's still crunch time. I'm still smashing through projects and I am just about to go on my road trip tomorrow and my floor looks like this. Looks like this. It is hideous, but that's okay because I'm going to be installing this today and it is made for boats, yachts. However, my sweet land yacht has wooden floors and this is made to be installed on shiny like metal or fiberglass. So I'm going to be using some adhesive, crossing my fingers that it works, and I also have a bit of an artistic idea with how I want to put it down. So I'm just gonna wing it and let's see how this goes. Okay, it's my goal to get this done without leaving the bowler even once. I don't know why I have that goal for myself. I just feel like I need that. I need that goal. I'm really hoping I bought enough flooring. So the way I envision this is having everything lay in this direction, but having a nice kind of border on the edge to sort of make it look like woodwork, like they do on actual yachts. So I'm just gonna cut a strip so that I can make that border. Every single time I do something in this bowler, every single time I start a project, I'm like nervous because I'm so new to all this stuff. Every time I start, I doubt myself. All right, so I'm gonna remove the plastic backing because the adhesive, it's not gonna cut it. And this floor is gonna have a lot of traffic, you know, I think probably more than the average boat deck. And I'm gonna have a dog that's drinking water or just coming out of the lake. So I really wanna make sure I seal these edges very well. And I made sure to get some waterproof, 100% waterproof, flexible adhesive. Again, not a tutorial. I'm just saying what I'm doing because I feel like it makes sense. All right, first one done. Now this side, and I have a new goal for myself. Not only do I want to not leave the bowler until this is done, but I also want to not get any glue on my brand new pants. So another thing to cross your fingers for. Okay, look. It's not square. Either the bowler or the flooring is not square, so now I have to try harder. You've seen one, you've seen them all. I'm gonna speed warp the next part is what I'm getting at. Dang, I have an idea. but I have to go get something. I think I want to roll this out with a rolling pin, which means I have to leave the bowler, so I'm not going to succeed in not leaving, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I am just cutting this last piece, and check this out. I have cut it so that it is perfect in that corner, all the way down. It's perfect. Oops, sorry, my knee just moved it. Perfect in all corners, perfect in that corner. But there's a big gap here because I guess when I pushed this foam down, I must have pushed it. So we're gonna have a little adventure aspect to this vlog. I'm gonna take my dog out for some exercise. Let's hit the logging roads, and then I have to go pick up some black adhesive because I don't want that to show, and I'm gonna try to hide my sins with some black adhesive. So to the logging roads. Come here. You're so excited. Come here. Oh, she can't control it. Sit. Come here. Sit. Oh yes, the best. Well, there's so many good reasons to have a dog. In my mind, one of the best reasons to have a dog is she's an excuse to go outside every day, not just in my yard, but like really get out there. It's so rare that I'll go a day without actually going into the wilderness, and I love her for that. Oh. Little buddy. Do you smell that, Willow? It smells musky like bear or cougar. It's so creepy, you know. I've lived in a place where there are cougars for well more than half my life. But even now, like the whole concept of looking up into the trees to see if there's a wildcat stalking me or existing around me, it's still disturbing. I have never seen a cougar. Oh. She spots something. Maybe it's just a squirrel. But the musky smell doesn't lie. I have never seen a cougar. However, my dog Willow, she was used as a running buddy for one of my neighbors because she was new to Canada from Australia, the place where everything will kill you, but she was scared of cougars. I'm like, you'll never see a cougar. And she still wanted to run with my dog for safety anyways. And she treed a cougar. Literally, she treed a cougar. This cougar wasn't gonna attack this woman, I don't think. But Willow made sure of it. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Gone my whole life and I haven't seen one? And then Willow goes out for like a year with this woman and she finds one. No, we've never been this way. Go on. My hiking shoes of the day. Can you see? The musky smell is going away, so maybe one was bedding just in the trailhead there. Because I don't see anything. And I'm not sure how that whole sixth sense works with knowing when somebody's looking at us, but I swear I know when something's looking at me. Probably not all the time, but I don't feel like I'm being watched right now, and for some reason I trust that. I mean, those are famous last words, but let's go down to the ravine. Ooh, that was a running, it kind of still is a running stream, but it's looking pretty nasty. Looking kind of stagnant over there. Ick. Seasons are changing, Willow. My cup is so full when I'm out here with her. Anyway, that said, my cup is also full when I'm camping, so let's get back to the bowler. Drinking wine and doing this, probably not a good call. Let's finish this. Okay, I have cleaned up the floor, given it a little vacuum, and it looks so good. Check it out. She's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I think it is so great. It is just a little bit janky right there, but that's okay. I'll survive. Other than that, it's a really good job and I'm proud of myself. So that, I guess, was my basically last thing I had to do before my road trip. I'm embarking on my road trip tomorrow, and I did, as you can see, not get this and this door put on. But the first stop of my road trip is to go see family, so maybe I'll get my mom to help me put those on because it needs to be held, and then it's a two-person job. And then I'm gonna go to the property I mentioned last episode, the property that my family bought that I bought like a little smidgen of. It's just a great big piece of like kind of crazy looking, like really interesting land. So I'm gonna explore that. It's gonna be so much fun, and I think I might cook some meals and just basically like kick off the summer vibes, even though it's just June, but kick off the summer vibes and have a good time in the bowler. So stay tuned, you guys, for that adventure, and thank you for hanging out on this portion of the DIY adventure with me, I guess you could say, and I'll catch you in the next one.